Can we have EMS come check her eyes out?
But just by the way she was talking and slurring her speech, I think she was under the influence of alcohol or some type of substance. Instead of just obeying the cops' orders, the cops had to break her window to get to her. And it's sad because nobody is above the law, doctor or not. You know, thank you. I want to thank her for her service because she's in the military, but you can't be breaking the law allegedly if you're drunk driving or under any other influence. Doctors are among certain people that are held higher standards. I'm an acupuncture physician. I don't even drink. So, I don't even drink. So, but the thing I'm saying is that we got to do better. Again, she's innocent until proven guilty, but she did get arrested. And it's a shame, man. It's a shame. Hey, please, y'all, don't forget to subscribe and like.